Equipment Register. The Equipment Register is a central system used to manage traffic management equipment, stock levels, supplier quotes, renewals, and default rate card items. It helps companies organize equipment by category, track inventory, and manage stock updates across all regions. The page is divided into several sections to make equipment management faster and easier. Equipment categories and stock management. Equipment is organized into categories such as signs, traffic lights, lighting and boom gates, radios, MS boards, bases and stands, safety equipment cones, barriers and ramps. Each category contains a large list of equipment items used for traffic management operations. For example, the signs category includes hundreds of temporary traffic signs grouped into different sign levels, such as Level 1/CAT. Yes. Level 2/CAT B. Because the sign register contains a large number of items, the system provides filters and search tools to quickly locate equipment by sign name, equipment code, sign level equipment group. Each equipment item displays equipment image, equipment code, and name category and level current stock quantity. The stock view can display company-wide totals or region-specific stock depending on the selected region filter. Admins can also add new equipment items directly into the selected category using the Add Item button. Excel spreadsheet. Bulk uploader. The Equipment Register includes a bulk stock upload system that allows companies to update stock using Excel spreadsheets. There are two upload options. Add stock used to increase existing stock quantities without replacing current stock values. Process. Download the Add Stock template. Enter quantities into the spreadsheet. Upload the completed Excel file. The system adds the quantities on top of current stock totals. This upload applies across all regions. Full upload. Used to completely replace existing stock quantities with new values from the spreadsheet. The upload section also tracks saved stock rows, template sheet counts, equipment totals per category. This feature makes large stock updates much faster than manual editing. Supplier. Quote. Request form. The supplier. Quote system helps companies request pricing and stock quotes directly from suppliers. Admins can enter supplier name, quote, contact email, delivery address, delivery or collection option. P. O number equipment items required. Additional supplier notes. Users can select equipment items from the Equipment Register and add them into the quote request list. The system can generate a supplier stock file which is sent to the supplier for pricing and availability updates. Once the supplier completes the file, admins can upload the completed spreadsheet back into the system to automatically update stock quantities. This process helps streamline supplier ordering and inventory management. Upcoming checks and renewals. The Warnings section tracks equipment items that require renewals inspections, compliance checks, expiry monitoring. The system displays any tracked items due within the next 30 days, including overdue equipment. If no upcoming issues exist, the system displays an all clear status. This feature helps companies stay compliant and maintain equipment safety standards. Rate card equipment. Defaults. The rate card equipment. Items section controls which default equipment items automatically appear in client rate cards. Admins can show or hide equipment. Defaults. Enable or disable specific equipment items. Manage equipment visibility by category. Examples include Level 1, signs, Level 2, signs, traffic lights, boom, gates, radios, cones, safety fences, speed bumps. Unticking an item removes it from automatically appearing in rate cards while still allowing users to manually add custom rows if needed. This helps companies customize rate cards for different clients while keeping standard equipment lists organized. Main benefits of the Equipment Register. The Equipment Register helps companies organize traffic management equipment, track stock quantities across regions, quickly search large equipment lists, upload stock in bulk using Excel files, request supplier quotes efficiently, track renewals and inspections, manage default equipment in rate cards, keep inventory data centralized and accurate. Overall, The Equipment Register provides a complete inventory and equipment management solution for traffic management operations.